as if next year couldn't be any crazier, it looks like Instagram is actually going to be changing up once more, and I'm not too sure why. I don't know why so many applications, they give us things and they take it away. It's just like Apple in a way. They give us something and they take it away. Same thing with Samsung too, to be honest. Now Instagram, the head of Instagram, is saying that next year they're going to offer the ability or the option to give us our chronological feedback. Now what does that mean? Well, if you guys remember, I think last year or the year before, they actually changed up our Instagram app. So when you actually wanted to go on Instagram and you were to look at it, we wouldn't necessarily see the most recent thing that somebody posted. Kind of same thing with Twitter, where if somebody tweets or if somebody posts a photo, it may not be the first set of, tweets or the first set of photos you would see. However, a couple years before that, everything was in chronological order. So if I were to post a photo and Drake were to post a photo and I posted it first, as soon as you open up the app, you would have seen my photo first and then you would have seen Drake's photo after, or whoever else, whoever you follow. So it would just be whoever posted it first, that's who would be up there. Then second, third, fourth, fifth. There wasn't really a ranking system. There was no, algorithm being posted in the background. It was literally whoever posted it first would be first. And then Instagram took that away and people got really mad about it. And it looks like next year, Instagram is going to be bringing that feature back. But from what these articles are stating and what the statement said, it looks like it's going to be a, ability that you can go ahead and enable. So I think that's a really cool thing. Having that ability of turning on or turning off that specific thing is actually really awesome. And I'm a huge fan of that for sure. So it looks like Instagram switched to an algorithmic whatever feed back in 2016. So that was over 5 years ago, technically almost next year. So that's a pretty crazy thing. So there's going to be a massive change to Instagram next year, and I cannot wait for it. I would probably say we're probably going to see this mid to late 2022, just so Instagram, their team can go and keeps talking about it and build up hype for it. It seems like a small feature. I'm sure they already have the systems built in because that's how they did it before, but that's going to be awesome. But that is going to change up, I think, how a lot of people go ahead and post on Instagram, because before they were posting basically for the algorithm in a way, but now they're going to be posting to be number one all the time. So now I think it is going to be back to, posting at the best times when all your users are on. At least that's what it kind of seemed like back in the day, versus posting on your algorithm and trying to get the best content. So I'm not too sure what's going to happen here. I guess we'll see what happens in the future, but Instagram is making some moves for sure. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.